Today I'm doing an unboxing, short review, and demonstration of the Tzumi Motion Mount, which allows you to make point-of-view hands-free videos. I picked this up at Wal-Mart for around $5. To use this hands-free mount, place your smartphone in it by expanding a spring-loaded clip. If you have a phone case, you may have to expand it further, or remove your case while using it. I was able to fit my Google Pixel 3a XL in it, which has a width of 3 inches without the case, and around 3¼ inches with the case. You then simply wear it around your neck. The mount can be adjustable in a 360-degree range and has a knob that can be tightened to keep your phone in position. There are a couple of problems with this design, as it may be hard to see your screen depending on your vision, so you should focus your camera on the main subject before hitting record. Since it is close to your mouth, it may also pick up breathing, so you can either hold your breath, edit out breathing sounds in post-production, or try shallow breathing. The footage you see now is a demonstration of what it looks like when recording with the mount. You may want to tilt your phone so it doesn't show your stomach sticking out. Overall, I recommend this mount as it is only $5 and seems to do the job well. If you shoot hands-free videos once in a while, this should work fine, but if you make a lot of videos from this perspective, you may want to buy one that is more durable, as it is hard to tell how long this one will last. If you found this video helpful, you can return the favor by giving it a like or leave a comment if you have any questions. And one final note before I go. In case you're wondering why I'm talking in a deep voice, I've had subscribers comment saying I sound like Corpse Husband. I had no idea who Corpse was, so did some research and decided to do an impression of his voice. And that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe.